Makhosi, Nkosi yami ngiyanamukela mina lapha emakhaya to another I don't know whether I should call it an announcement or I should call it an episode of Kemi TV. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I hope you guys are gonna have a great day. It's a beautiful morning here in Johannesburg South. Crusader, Iketa lama skrskr, Inyana Yama Kosi, and I really am happy to always make these episodes, man. I'm always happy to announce new services that are being offered, to educate you guys, to guide you guys, as well as to learn from your comments. Some of you really give me more insights as well. Some of you reach out to me on my chat and you update me of information that you learned on the channel but you thought was incomplete, and you update me. Guys, I'm as much of a student as I am as much of a teacher. Ukushwayo lona namanje ngisawenza lo msebenzi. Guys, I have to raise my voice a bit aloud because it's Saturday. Obviously people are busy, people are busy. The birds are chirping, but we are grateful, we are thankful, and I do wish you guys a great weekend. Guys, this is less an episode, it's more an announcement. This is less an episode, this is more an announcement. Cape Town, we are on our way. Cape Town, we are coming down eLwandle. So this is 7th abantu lapho. This is going to be on the 7th of December. This is going to be on the 17th. So this is going to be on the 17th of December until the 22nd of December. Nkoseda is going to be down in Cape Town. Nkoseda uyobe asebenza abantu eCape Town. Nkoseda uyobe ageza abantu eCape Town, afaka abantu eLwandle, because umnikazi umbizile wathi sengifuna ukuthi usebenza abantu eLwandle Nkosi yami. Sengifuna ukuthi wena uze uzophilisa abantu all over the country. Angisafuni ukuthi nje uthumele imithi, angisafuni ukuthi nje uvakashe umkhulu province, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ubamba abantu uProfet ngesandla sakho bakhulekele. Going into January, sifuna ukuthi abantu bangene bahlambulukile, abantu baqinisiwe, abantu inhlanhla zabo zivuliwe. Bakwethu, we are going to be in Cape Town. So to you Cape Townians, to you guys in Cape Town who have contacted me before, who have asked me that, yo mkhulu, ngifuna ukuza ngizobona mkhulu, ngifuna ukuthi ngizohlola lapho kuwe, ngifuna ukuthi uzongeza kodwa ukude mkhulu. Cape Town is very far away. I say to you, Crusader is on a tour. Crusader uqale Cape Town next month, January. Durban, KZN, we're coming your way. And shortly after that, Port Elizabeth. Month by month, I'll be touring 5 days each month. I'll be spending in each province in Sevenza Abantu, because the clientele base has grown. And I need to have a schedule with Imam travel and your Sevenza in a place in Sevenza Ranjani, in Sevenza. So Cape Town, lucky, you are lucky pick number 1. As your best paramisi to me, and in Abantwana Bomoya. Othi ngiloku ngitshelwa ukuthi ngesithunywa, ngiloku ngitshelwa ukuthi ngabantu abadala, nina bantwana bedlozi emithi, ngangiphupha ngangibona kodwa sengivalekile, ngathwasa, ngahamba ngayophakamisa isithunywa kodwa ngisababona abantu abadala, kodwa ngisakhona ukukhuleka kodwa sengihlala ngikhathele mkhulu. I feel discouraged in this work that I do. I feel discouraged. Amandla wami ngathi ayehla, ngithi iza khe uzolanda amandla masiye eLwandle, sokuxhumanisa nedwala, sokuxhumana nomnikazi omkhulu ongibizele lapha eLwandle ukuthi siphakamise isithunywa sakho, ukuthi sigeze idlozi lakho, ukuthi zikhona ukukhuluma, ukuthi zikhona ukukhanyisela ukuthi yini ekulandelayo, yini okumele ukwenze, ukuthi your journey must progress, ukuthi your journey must go forward. Sithi kuzokhanya, hayi kuzokhanya abantwana bomoya. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngigqilazeke kangakanani, nami ngangena enjulweni, nami ngagqilazeka, nami ngabhekana nosizi sizonzima ukuze ngifinyelele kulesigaba where now I'm able to help people, now I'm able ukuthi ngibeke abantu ngithi iza nawe ngikubeka isandla ngikufake eLwandle. Cha, angeke ngibe ngikubeka ama-drop, ngibe ngikuthela amanzi kancane as if angazi ngizama ukukumazisa nje kancane. Cha, ngithi ngiyokufaka nokubuda nawe eLwandle, siyokhuleka, siyobe sebenza abantu for 4 to 5 days. Siyobe silahla iy'lwane, nina eniney'lwane esenihambile nagezwa ngamagazi, nina esenihambile nangeniswe ezibeni nagezwa ngamakapa wey'nkomo, nithi iza siyobe sisebenza ngoprofeti Nkosi yami, siyobe sisebenza ngokugedla profeti. Ngiyobe ngikhulekisa abantu, ngiyobe ngibakhipha iy'lwane, ngiyobe isixosha iy'lwane sizilahla khona lapha elwandle. Ziyobe zihamba nabogogo nabomkhulu abangenile iy'ngilosi eziphakamile, iy'dalwa eziphakamile zasemanzini. Makhosi, siyobe sigeza iy'nyama, amathunzi ney'chitho. God, this is not a promotional video. I'm just this excited to come down to Cape Town. It's a new place for me. Never been to Cape Town. So coming down there, noma ngiza ngomsebenzi, I have this excitement in me. I have the zeal in me. I'm leaving Johannesburg. I'm not going to KZN. I'm not going to Northwest. I'm not going to PE. I'm not going to Mpumalanga. I'm coming to a new place. I can't wait to put my hands on you guys. Ngiyofika lapha ngizilile. Nkosi yami, amalanga ayisikhombisa ngiyofika ngizilile ukuthi amandla wami angifika lapho abaphakeme, abaphelele ukuthi ngizoniphilisa. Futhi siyobe sigeza inhlanhla sicelela abantu inhlanhla. So depending on ukuthi udinga insebenzo enjani, fika khehle. Fika, you book beforehand. Obadala masifika le. You book beforehand because there's a list, there's an amount of people that we take, which is about 10 to 20 people. So after that, I can't take more people or else you're being 7 abantu in Russia. I'm trying to 7 abantu in Russia. I want to be able to schedule everybody properly. Ukuthi ngibe nesikhathi sami. If ngizokunika ihora lakho, if ngizokunika 30 minutes yakho, kube njalo. Masigeza inhlanhla yakho sivule. Go into the new year ukhanya. Ngithi masiphakamise inhlanhla yakho, ngithi ngiyobe ngifike nemithi lapho. Abantu nabantu engibasebenzayo based on their categories, whether ngiphakamisa isithunywa, ngigeza idlozi, ngilahlisa isilwane, ngiphakamisa inhlanhla, siyobe sihamba nemithi ukuthi sikunike when we die. A package esizokunika ozoyisebenzisa going into January in case after sesiqedile wena December the 25th, December the 31st, you decide to come uyogana abantu uzilungise futhi ukuthi lokho esikwenzile ungavaleki. For those of you abathi mkhulu angifuni ukuya elwandle, ngifuna nje ukuzohlola, please book. Uzobhuka umkhulu makafika lapho, it's going to be 300 rand ukuthi ngihlole lapho Cape Town. Nezathu they've been charging 300 rand this time. You book, you send the money through, you'll set a day for abantu esizobahlola. We'll set days for abantu esizobaphakamisa ithunywa, for abantu esizobageza inhlanhla. Ithi fika kumkhulu seyigedla namashishri, I am a conduit. I am Isqi. I am Inqi. I am nothing but a servant and a vessel. Ingilosi ziyangitshela ukuthi phakama hamba uye la, phakama hamba uye le. Mina ngiyaphakama ngenze lokho. Ngithi makhosi, makhosi, makhosi. Ngiyosebenza ngiphilisa abantu, ngiyofundisa ngikhanyisela abantu. Ngize ngene ethuneni, ngithi abathakathi abanamandla, ngithi mina nginengilosi zasemanzini, ingilosi zasentabeni, ingilosi zasesibhakabhakeni. Ngithi zonke ingilosi zingaphezu kwami, ngithi uNkulunkulu ungembathe ngamandla akhe ukuze ngizophilisa, ukuze ngizoletha ukhanya, not only in South Africa but in Africa and globally. I don't blow my own horn. Like I said, I am a vessel. Cape Town, I am coming to serve you. Cape Town, I am coming to give freedom, to come with the keys in order to unlock inhlanhla, to come with the keys in order to unlock darkness that has been put over people's lives, to come with the keys in order to assist people ukuthi izipho zabo zivuleke. We need more of abelaphi, we need more of abantwana bedlozi ukuthi baphakame. Sithi ukhanya kuyanda, ubumnyama buyadeda, umkhusida lo ukhushwa igedla lamashishri inyanga yamakhosi. Guys, you can follow me here on my social media channels, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can contact me on 083-251-2385 to book for insebenzo. Zonke le insebenzo lapha eCape Town, it's only 700 rand. It's a special. Usually ukuthi sisabantu elwandle, sisabantu empophomeni is 1,200 to 1,500, but this time we are discounting. Sithi take this opportunity, ungeke usole. Makhosi.